Welcome, my love light lifers. Natty T here, your vibrational coach. Today we're talking about the color orange. How do you manifest with the color orange? Can colors help us manifest at all? We're going to find out right now. Welcome to my returning subscribers, my love light lifers. Love you. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. Hope you have some fun with us here today. And if you find this information at all helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want some more. And if you know somebody who this might help, send it to them. Now, let's get into the color orange, because we're manifesting with colors at the moment. How can we use the frequency of specific colors to help us manifest? So first of all, we have to understand how colors affect us, because there is this subconscious version of it, and then there's this spiritual version of it, and they kind of bounce off each other. They're kind of the same thing, but just explained differently. If you focus on what effects you're getting in different ways, then you will see different things. So the subconscious manifestation of what colors do to us versus the spiritual effect that it has on us, it's basically the same thing. What's happening is you yourself are tuning yourself, you are adopting a similar frequency to the color that you are focused on. Now, you don't have to be focused on it at all times, because naturally in our particular chakra system, the colors sort of are naturally balanced. But sometimes when we're out of balance, when one of those chakras is unbalanced, we start to feel that imbalance. Now, don't get scared in the sense that, oh, my chakras might go out of balance and I've got to... Really what's happening here is that chakras are pretty good at keeping themselves regulated. However, you're in control of your frequencies, and when you're thinking and when you're focusing, if you focus in a way that inhibits those particular chakras, you may find that they become overbalanced or underbalanced. So you got too much of it going on, or you got not enough. And of course, we'd like to have a nice balance. So with orange, why would we need orange? Well, let's have a look at our psychological effects, because orange is naturally an exciting color. It excites us. It's a very fresh color, but it's an interesting one in the sense that because the spiritual side of it is the Sacral Chakra, which is talking about creation. So this is, if you have a look at where it is in the human body, if you're a female, it's going to sit pretty much over where your reproductive organs are inside. So halfway between your belly button and the bottom of your body. So between your legs. So halfway between there, you've got a nice little chakra called Sacral Chakra. And what this chakra is wanting to do is it's balancing your output, okay? This is chakra number 2, and it's the second last stop before things start to become manifested. And so this is a very creative chakra, and the if you're looking at how it makes us feel subconsciously, it's that excitement, that feeling of excitement and anticipation and wonder, okay? And so when we start using it to manifest, we're going to use it to start feeling creative. So this is kind of the chakra, the Sacral Chakra says, I feel, okay? It actually says I do. I think I have them around the wrong way, because when I looked them up, they were around the wrong way. But my claircognizance says it's the I do versus the I feel, which is up in the solar plex. So anyway, the point is that is where you're going to get not just some action, but this is where the thought starts to become an action. And so you might be wanting to use orange if you're wanting to feel motivated, if you're wanting to get a second win, if you're wanting to have a fresh approach, see a different perspective, be creative. In other words, see something from a different angle, see something new, create something new, understand in a new way. This isn't just for us creative types. If you're somebody who has been looking at a specific issue in your life and you're not seeing a way out, orange can be really good because it can help you to find a different perspective. It is also a very nurturing and protective, because if we're talking about where it is in that it's the creative, this is actually the sexual chakra as well. Most people think it's the root chakra because it's red and it's called root. It's not. The sacral chakra is actually the sexual energy, because that's the creative energy. Sex is made to create another human being. You can create entire new human beings through this particular energy, this orange energy. And so it's really, really powerful. So it's also, if we're going to go there, it's also where you can concentrate on if you want to get pregnant, if you would like to feel sexier, if you would like to become sexier, if you would like to become more alluring in that sense. And you don't actually have to change the way you look. Once you start feeling that energy, you'll just naturally become, you'll emit a vibration that will attract the same. Okay, we won't get too far into that, but what we will get into is how you can use it. So if you're wanting to use orange, you're going to put orange around you. Another way that you can do it is you can wear orange, you can eat orange, you can meditate orange. So if you're not wanting to hang about with a whole bunch of orange stuff, you can actually take a little bit of time to balance that particular chakra via a meditation. Lots of them here on YouTube. May do one day, but for now, all you have to do is take 20 minutes and focus on that specific color and that specific area, and you will be surprised at how that shifts not just the way you feel, but because the way you feel has changed, it starts to shift the way you move, the actions that you take, and of course, with the law of attraction, what vibration you're emitting, therefore what you are attracting to yourself. All those things that you think might be out of your control and that are left up to luck and chance and randomosity are never actually random. They are responses to this frequency that you're putting out. And anybody who has ever taken the time to actually examine the frequency that they output, learn how to do that and to do it, will know that things that seem like they're random, the way other people treat you, the way that a dice rolls for you, what you're passing, what you're taking notice of when you're passing, the things around you are not random. Now, there's a lot of things around you that you're not taking notice of, and you will inevitably change the things you notice when you change the frequency that you output. And so if you're shifting into that exciting orange kind of light, creative energy, you're going to see stuff like that coming back to you. And so that's why you might want to use orange to manifest. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that yummy stuff. I will see you tomorrow.